Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to walk you through how to take a piece of board and make it flat and square. Flat, both sides parallel to one another, squared corners to each side. Stay tuned to see how it's done. Okay, this here is the jointer. It's got two beds that are perfectly in line with one another. This one here is set just a fraction higher than this one. This is your in feed, this is your out feed. In the middle here there is a rotating set of blades. As I push the material along here, the blades will trim it, any high spots, and it'll continue onto the out feed table. That will help remove any of our twist. So, show you how it works. Now we put some black marks on there so you can see it a little better. And you see we're just missing a little bit here at the very tip. So we'll run it through again. There's a spot here that it missed too. Alright, so now that is nice and flat. What we're going to do next is take this flat side, put it against the fence, which is 90 degrees to the table. We're going to push it through, and that's going to flatten out this edge and make it square to this side. Alright, and now we have one flat edge, one square flat side, and we are nice and flat and square there. I want to do the other board real quick, and then we'll run them through the planer, which will make this side mirror image of this side. Alright, so this is the planer. Its knives are on the top. It's got a flat bed. We're going to take our flat side, lay it face down, and as it runs through and pulls through, it's going to mill this side parallel to this side. Okay, so now I've got two sides, or two faces, front and back, and one edge. One edge is perfectly square to both sides. Now we just run it through the table saw, square up this edge to this. And now we have a board that is flat and square all the way around.